Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. By default, TikTok doesn't automatically save every video you post to your phone's gallery. But you can enable an option so every video you upload gets saved to your device instantly. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, you can record videos directly from the TikTok camera or upload videos from the gallery. For example, I recorded a video from TikTok using effects. If you finish recording, you can add music, text, stickers, etc. Then click Next. Please fill in the description box, hashtag, or mention. The most important part, scroll down and click More Options. Scroll down and you will see the Save to Device feature. You must activate this feature so that every uploaded video is automatically saved to your cell phone gallery. Press the button until it is blue. For the Save Post with Watermark feature, this is optional. You can activate it if you want a watermark after saving, or disable it if you don't want a watermark. If it is set, click close icon, and you can upload videos to TikTok. After finishing uploading, now you can check in the gallery. Close the TikTok application, then open your cell phone gallery, and your TikTok video has been saved to the gallery, along with the music we added. But, you should know if this only works for videos you post, not videos from other users. Now you know how to automatically save TikTok videos to gallery on your phone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.